Learn English through reflection journals. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore a highly effective self-assessment technique called reflection journals. These are powerful tools that can really elevate your English language learning journey by making you more aware of your progress, your challenges, and your personal learning style. A reflection journal is a personal record where you can document your learning journey. It's a place to record your thoughts, observations, experiences, and questions about the English language. It helps you think critically about your learning, become aware of your progress, and identify areas where you need to improve. Imagine this journal as a mirror for your English learning journey. When you look into it, you see how far you've come, what obstacles you've encountered, and how you overcame them. Creating a reflection journal is simple, but it does require a regular commitment. 1. Choose a format. First, choose the format that suits you best. It could be a physical notebook, or a digital document like a Word file or a note-taking app. 2. Daily entries. Try to make daily entries in your journal. Write about what you've learned, the difficulties you faced, and how you resolved them. 3. Weekly review. At the end of each week, go through your entries, reflect on them, and identify your strengths and areas for improvement. This regular review will help you track your progress and guide your future learning. 4. Set goals. Use your journal to set weekly or monthly goals for yourself. Having clear, written goals can make your English learning more focused and purposeful. Using a reflection journal has several benefits. Self-awareness. It increases your self-awareness about your English learning process. Progress tracking. It helps you track your progress and notice patterns or recurring difficulties. Goal setting. It facilitates goal setting and planning for future learning. Motivation. Seeing your progress documented can boost your motivation and confidence in English. That's all about reflection journals. They're a powerful self-assessment tool that can significantly enhance your English learning journey. Try starting a reflection journal today and experience the benefits for yourself. Remember, the key to success with a reflection journal is regularity and honesty. Record your learning experiences every day, and take the time to reflect on them at the end of each week. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, keep reflecting, and you'll see great strides in your English proficiency. Until next time, happy learning!